So what High Court will do? Permit you what? अरे तो आप इंजंक्शन का सूट लगाओ, उसमें हाई कोर्ट क्या करेगा? और हाई कोर्ट ऐसी रिलीफ दिया है तो इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. But if some private party has encroached upon your land and carrying on the illegal mining operations, then first of all you need to file an FIR, and secondly, if there is a contest, then you file a suit. What High Court will do? Where is the order which you have claimed to have been flouted? Where is the order of the High Court? See? Mr. Raghuvanshi, you please read the order.
Sir, having considered the contention prima facie, it appears that illegal mining is going on, and the respondent 1 to 5 are directed to ensure that there shall be no illegal mining of sand on the river Sindh adjacent to survey number such and such of Chihor, such and such. Furthermore, the respondent state is also directed not to cause any hindrance in cultivation and enjoyment of agricultural land of the petitioner in the said survey number. Now, my lord may see there is writ petition also listed along with this.
ये इनका ग्रीवेंस जो है लास्ट पैरा से
So
है.
far as the last para is concerned, the net relief which he can claim is before the civil court.
But what can we do? There is an order.
But the fact is,
My brother is a party to the order.
We have replied, my lord, in the writ petition also. If my lord will see the relief claimed in the writ petition, his entire grievance is in respect of as against the private respondent. So we have said that there is no illegal mining operation by respondent, private respondent, and in case, my lord, all the disputed question of facts are there, and petitioner feels agreed by that.
Where do you reply? Where do you reply?
My lord, in writ petition we have replied.
अच्छा, what about contempt petition?
Content में Mr. Modi है
जरा रिप्लाई तो बुलवा लीजिए इसमें भी.
इसमें writ में दिया था.
ये दो पिटीशन कंटेम्प्ट लग गया ना इसमें.
हाँ.
2 या 3 कंटेम्प्ट है क्या? 1296 2 कॉपी है. अरे इसे साहब ही कॉपी.
My lord may see the writ petition. In writ petition we have categorically denied the amendment made in the writ petition.
Let us see the reply in writ petition.
Sir, 10/8/2022.
पैरा.
सर ये पैरा है इसका.
रिलीफ 7.
ये तो रिलीफ में my lord will see that his entire petition is that private respondents are not allowing the petitioner to cultivate, and they have encroached upon certain land belonging to the petitioner.
Yes.
For that the
Para relief now 7.1.
Sir.
Now the entire relief has been granted in the while deciding the interim application.
More than that, and the interim relief in the form of temporary injunction has been granted, my lord, in the interim.
Mandatory injunction.
Mandate. So, but leaving aside, my lord, if my lord will see that the entire in the writ petition itself we have replied that the allegations made by the petitioner are not correct.
एक बार let me see your reply.
My lord, para 5 of our reply. Page 3.
Let me see your reply. हाँ स्टेट काउंस 1 to 5 ना.
हाँ. Page 3 पे para 5. That in this regard.
Page 3 para 5.
जी sir. that in this regard it is submitted that alleged submission of petitioner with respect to carrying out illegal mining activity by private respondent is not correct and hence denied. In regards, it is submitted that answering respondent on complaint filed by the petitioner and also after filing the present petition before this honorable court by petitioner has on various occasions inspected the survey numbers in which the petitioner has alleged illegal mining activity by the private respondent, but the inspection team has never found any activity of illegal mining on the land. So, with this reply, my lord, all the
Is there any rejoinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
And
rejoinder is there.
this return is filed on in the month of August, and I have brought on record the photographs of the July itself of carrying out the mining activity. And
तो भाई who will ascertain कि photograph is of July or August?
it is with the longitude and latitude manner of the area. And this is the geotag photograph which exactly locates
Hmm.
the location itself and the date and time.
Hmm. अब इंस्पेक्शन टीम भी क्या करे, उनके भी तो बाल बच्चे हैं.
Anything goes with the
हैंड इन ग्लव क्या है?
because mine
अब मुरैना का केस है.
shooting.
Shivpuri.
हाँ, अब इलीगल माइनिंग के बारे में लेस सेड इज बेटर. अब वो जो इंस्पेक्टर है, आप माइनिंग इंस्पेक्टर है या माइनिंग ऑफिसर है, आए दिन वारदात सुनने में आती है कि उसकी गाड़ी का कांच फोड़ दिया, उसको बंदी बना लिया, गाड़ी चढ़ा दी,
IPS मार दिया.
ट्रैक्टर चढ़ा दिया आदमी के ऊपर. अब ऐसी परिस्थिति में माइनिंग इंस्पेक्टर कैसी रिपोर्ट देगा, आप बताइए. ये तो बड़ा अनरूली स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स है और गवर्नमेंट इसके बारे में क्या कर रही है ये रघुवंशी जी बताएंगे हम लोगों को, क्योंकि सिंपल डिनायल से तो काम नहीं ना चलेगा.
नहीं सर, इसमें इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट भी लगाई है. 19/7/21 से पूर्णतः कार्य बंद है वो. Now my his case is not that the illegal mining from the government land is extracted, illegally extracted. His case is that his own land is being utilized for illegal extraction of minerals.
तो उसके लिए आपने FIR करी क्या?
What that
उसमें क्या
remedy
हुआ?
is the civil suit.
Nothing was found proved by the police, and only cognizable of FIR was written for behavior of
ये चार्जशीट पेश हो गया क्या?
charging has been filed for billable offences and for non-billable offences, and they did not found anything proven.
हम्म?
I have also got detailed photograph of just 2-3 months before. They are still doing this.
अब इसकी इंक्वायरी कैसे करवाई जाए बताओ मेरे को. आर्टिकल 226 में every day we are just putting our hands off wherever we find the matter requires factual adjudication or factual inquiry. This is not our job. That is the difficulty.
The petition has it on further to prove that ultimately no use has been even the deputation has been only to the extent that the Bible are moving of the signal of the petition for molested.
हैं? नहीं नहीं सर नहीं. नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ी इश्यू तो ये है कि अगर वहाँ कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है, सरकार भी लाचार है, तो कुछ होना तो चाहिए ना वहाँ से. कितना बड़ा एरिया है?
रिवर है सिंध रिवर, उस पर रिवर पर जाने के लिए वो मेरे एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड को से जाते हैं, इसलिए मेरा तो यही बस वो माइनिंग होती है पर रिवर बेड सिंध रिवर बेड।
नहीं, तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में कोर्ट क्या करे आप बताइए, जब सरकार ये लिख के दे रही है कि वहाँ पे इलीगल माइनिंग नहीं हो रही है और आपका कोई पर्सनल डिस्प्यूट है तो उसके लिए आप कोर्ट में जाइए जहाँ पर कि गवाही हो सके और जहाँ पर उस कोर्ट उन गवाही के आधार पर निर्णय दे। अब रिट जुरिस्डिक्शन में हमारा जुरिस्डिक्शन लिमिटेड है ना। अब सरकार के जवाब आने के बाद हम क्या करें आप बताइए। या तो आप हम लोग को खर्चा दीजिए तो हम लोग चले वहाँ पे देख के हमें, अच्छा हमें कौन पहचानेगा वहाँ पे, ना को हम ही के ऊपर वार हो जाए। या तो नहीं, या तो आप हमको ये सुरक्षा के लिए आप आश्वासन दें कि आप हमें सुरक्षा देंगे तो हम चलते हैं आपके साथ, जो होगा देखेंगे, अब क्या करेंगे। भाई आपका खेत बचाना भी जरूरी है, भले हमारी जान चली जाए। आप पूछ लीजिए सुरक्षा व्यवस्था हो सकती हो तो चलते हैं हम लोग वहाँ पे देख के आते हैं। अब भाई किसान के खेत में अगर माइनिंग हो रही है और सरकार बोलती नहीं हो रही है, इसका निर्णय हम कहाँ से देंगे भाई।
खेत से निकल रहे हैं माइनिंग करने।
अब पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, वी डू नॉट नो। टोटल क्वेश्चन ऑफ फैक्ट। तो वहीं जाओ, ये ऑर्डर हम अभी तो अलाइव रखते हैं जो माननीय खंडपीठ ने दिया है, लेकिन ये है कि तब तक आप दावा लगा के वहाँ पे कुछ लो, या आप दावा लगा के आ जाओ, फिर हम इसको विड्रॉ कराते हैं आपसे। क्या चाहते हो आप? व्हाट यू से मिस्टर रघुवंश जी?
15 days time, because in case any illegal operation of mine is going on from the government land or river, so far as extension of the interim order granted by the honorable court, allowed me grant for 15 or 20 days time.
But can he
And in
maintain
the
a
meantime,
suit?
he may be-
Can he maintain a suit in his individual capacity to question the illegal mining at the public land?
His entire grievance is, my lord, that his land is encroached upon by laying down the road on there, from there, facilitating them to illegally operating the mine. In both capacity, he can do it.
WP number so and so. Petitioner has made the following relief. This court on the first date of hearing passed the following order. Counter affidavit has been filed denying the allegations in WP. Rejoinder is also on record controverting the pleadings in the letter. Stop. Entire gamut of matter is in the realm of facts requiring factual adjudication. Full stop. In the fitness of things, we are of the view that in case that the petitioner may approach the civil court, may approach the appropriate court of competent jurisdiction to seek the relief of the nature sought for. As well as injunction. 15 days time as prayed for is granted to institute proceedings as aforesaid. For the period of 30 days, the interim order passed by this court, date so and so, shall remain in operation. Stop. Before parting with the case, it is considered apposite to observe that the court of competent jurisdiction shall be well advised to look into the grievance of the petitioner and after recording its satisfaction upon the evidence placed on record, either at the stage of interim injunction or decision of the suit, shall pass necessary orders. Full stop. In case the such court is of the view that petitioner has made out prima facie case, the local administration of district Shivpuri shall ensure compliance of the injunction order passed by the such court. With the aforesaid observations and directions, WP and contempt petitions are hereby disposed of.